Desktop gadgets. What are desktop gadgets? Windows contains mini programs called gadgets. Windows have some mini programs, that's another name is gadgets. See what are these? Which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to the frequently used tools. After using these gadgets, you can easily access frequently used tools. Windows 7 contains gadgets like calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed, headlines, slideshow, picture puzzle, and Windows Media Center, WinZip gadgets. These are different gadgets and they have different functions. As per your requirement, you can use these gadgets given on the desktop. Children, you can add more gadgets on the desktop. Right click on the blank area of desktop and select the gadgets option. Children, you have gadgets gallery there. You can add the gadgets from there. The gadgets window will open. Double click on the gadgets that you want to place on the desktop. This is the gadget gallery. You have some gadgets in this gallery. You can right click on any gadget and you can place that gadget on the desktop. The gadgets get placed on the right side of the desktop. After selecting that gadget, you can paste that gadget on the right side of the desktop. Shutting down a computer. Children, whenever you finish your work, after that you have to properly shut down the desktop. First of all, click on the Start button. Select the Shut Down button. Now wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button, switch off the UPS and main power supply button. This is the proper way to shut down a computer. Power modes of Windows. There are various ways to shut down your PC. Children, how to shut down your PC in different ways? See, you can turn off the PC completely or make it sleep or can hibernate the PC. See, what is sleep? Sleep is a power saving state wherein the system draws only a small amount of power. In this state, Windows automatically saves all your work in the memory and turns off the computer. Children, if you are shut down your computer in sleep manner, it will consume less power and it will save your work. Windows automatically saves all your work in the memory. This is the main feature of sleep. If the battery is too low, children, if your computer's battery is too low, it is very good to sleep your computer. The computer resumes full power operation when you start working again and returns to the same screen where you last left off the computer. If you sleep your computer, you can see your last screen wherever you are working. Next is hibernate. Hibernate mode saves all the open documents and running applications on the hard disk. Hibernate mode saves all the open documents and running applications on the hard disk and then shuts down the computer. After saving your all applications, running applications, all open documents, saving on the hard disk, it shuts down the computer. Hibernate use less power than a sleep mode. Hibernate also uses less power, but it is more or less than the sleep mode. When you start up the computer again, your desktop is restored exactly at the same point where you left off. Wherever you are working, Hibernate will provide you that last position. From there, you can continue your work. Safe mode and normal mode. Children, while using Windows, sometimes it happens that you come across problems that stop Windows from operating normally, and a screen appears instructing you to run Windows in the safe mode. Children, sometimes when you working with Windows, it happens that your Windows instructing you that you have to work in safe mode. Let's see why it happens. This often happens when the computer is switched off without the proper shutdown procedure. Children, I told you how to properly shut down a computer. If you don't shut down the computer properly, your Windows can go to safe mode. The safe mode of Windows allows the users to correct the issues so that the normal functioning of Windows can be resumed. Safe mode allows the user to correct the issues and Windows can be resumed to the normal mode. The safe mode is somehow different from the normal mode. See what are the differences between these two modes. Normal mode. Normal mode is the default operation mode of Windows. Children, if we are working in the computer lab, we always work in normal mode. In normal mode, all the files and drivers for the hardware in computer are loaded during startup for proper functioning of a computer. Whenever we switch on the computer, all files automatically loaded during the startup process. In normal mode, Windows appears in high resolution and with all colors. In normal mode, no label is displayed as compared to the safe mode. A computer never displays you are working in normal mode. It always normal, no label to display the name of the mode. Now see what is safe mode. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer system. Means if any problem is coming during the computer shutdown, its issues are coming. Safe mode helps you to prevent computer system safely working. Safe mode. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer system. If any issue is coming in computer system, your safe mode always helps to save your computer. In safe mode, window loads with a limited set of files and drivers that are essential for primary functions such as drivers for basic input or output devices, etc. In normal mode, children, all files are loaded, but in safe mode, only essential primary functions, drivers, etc. are only loaded. In safe mode, Windows appears with limited colors and lower resolution. Its quality will be lower. When Windows is operated in safe mode, the label safe mode is displayed on all the corners of the desktop screen. In normal mode, there is no label, but in safe mode, there is a label of safe mode. It displays corner of the desktop screen. It shows that you are working in safe mode. Recap of the chapter. Children, I have finished the explanation of this chapter 2. Now let's see what I have explained and what you understood by the chapter. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft World leading software company. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. Double click on the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item. Notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar and includes a clock and a group of icons. The Start button gives quick access to documents, Windows applications, help, etc. A screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. Windows contains many programs called gadgets which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to the frequently used tools. Normal mode is the default operation mode of Windows. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer system. Children, now I will send you a PDF of question answers that you have to do in your textbook and your notebook. Till that, you have to revise your chapter, read the chapter again carefully.